what you do right away, if you're all right, you put your hand above your hand up in the air. Okay? You understand?
Okay.
What's the first thing you do if you fall off? You're okay.
But it ends up in there.
Show me how. No, one hand. If you go two hands, then you're in danger.